Downloading your account data from American Express can help you manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to retrieve your information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, locate the Account Services or Account Management section in the main menu. This area contains various options related to your account settings and data. Step 3. Select Download Account Data. Look for an option that says Download Account Data Export Transactions or something similar. Click on this option to proceed to the Data Download section. Step 4. Choose your data preferences. You will be prompted to select the type of data you want to download, such as transaction history, statements, or account summaries. Specify the date range in formats CSV, PDF, etc. for the data you need. Step 5. Confirm and download. Review your selections and confirm the download. The data will either download automatically to your device or you may receive an email with a link to access your files. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from American Express. This information can be useful for budgeting, tax preparation, or personal finance management.